TransGP presents a vision of a future where the garment industry thrives on agility, quality, and safety. Laborious and repetitive tasks are a thing of the past, as workers are uplifted with high-level skills. This future is about agility and on-demand manufacturing, offering more tailored garments delivered swiftly at lower cost to meet the needs of each customer.
Our mission is clear: to transform the industry, to champion AI and robotics adoption with a wide range of innovations, and to elevate industries and workers for a better quality of life.
We embark on this journey with groundbreaking technologies to overcome the challenges of fabric handling by robots and revolutionize the automation for garment manufacturing with innovations.
Imagine a versatile, first-in-market sewing system that seamlessly adapts to different garment styles and sizes, reducing the time and the cost spent on changing fixtures. A system with endless possibilities that delivers uniform stitching synchronized with human perfection. Enhanced agility boosts product diversity and faster delivery to give manufacturers a whole new competitive edge. The complex challenges of handling fabrics with robots are overcome with high-performance fabric simulations, new sensing technology, and bio-inspired mechanisms imitating human techniques. These easy-to-deploy and highly flexible robotic fabric and garment handling technologies not only aid in pre-processing tasks such as fabric picking and placing, positioning and folding, but also in preparing garments for various stages of production and catalyzing the robotic automation of entire manufacturing lines. They also enhance workplace safety by eliminating strain injuries and potentially hazardous roles in demanding environments. The future garment factory is built on a workspace where humans and robots collaborate. A suite of AI-driven technologies has been developed to support future production models with a clear understanding of human motion and vision to enhance human-robot synergies and advance robotic perceptions while safely avoiding real-time collisions. These innovations extend beyond garments to unleash the potential for other industries as well. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible, the next era of garment production is already on the horizon. Join us in a new age of garment manufacturing.